Bye! Okay, one more.
It's already 3 in Paracan. Kagigising ko lang. It's already 7 AM. Giit na nga, grabe. Wala na naman akong boses pa. Wala na. Sa bathroom na si Isa. Breakfast kami today sa Sunnyside. Okay, so this is the look for today. Ano kasi kami today, magla-land tour. So baka mag-swimming din. Naka-white bikini lang ako. Tapos skirt. I made this skirt. Ako gumawa niyan. Dress siya. Tinahi ko na lang. Kaya ayun, medyo may tahi-tahi siya. Ako nang lost care. Kasi akala ko naiwan ko yung... Dinala ko lang yung wallet ko. Tapos hindi ako nagdala ng bag. And it's gone. May makopla ka na Layvon. Okay.
Hi, vlog.
Guys, so pupunta kami sa Sunnyside Cafe. We're going to eat their breakfast. As a breakfast. Ay, bagal din pala nila, oh. I'm eating the touristas. Di ba sila lumagpas? Ay, hindi. Hey guys, so I'm having chorizo, vegan burger. What's yours?
Bacon slab and eggs.
Yes, tapos adobo for me. Sarap. Sumag. Ano tayo? Land tour. Land tour tayo for today. Ganap tayo ng man and ng groom. So that's the mangrove. Hindi mo na kami bababa kasi naulan.
Mamaya babalikan.
Babalikan lang namin. Parang no, ni Anaconda. Oo. Okay guys, so nandito na kami sa Puka Beach again and again. Siswimming na kami tsaka picture here kasi wala pa kaming group picture. Madaming tao. Buti na lang nag-island hopping kami kahapon kasi dati kahapon din kami. Sobrang daming tao. Pero now, maliligo na kami tsaka shoot. Also, mas high tide today. We're currently having a photo shoot. Okay, so tapos na kami sa Puka Beach. Bumili ako ng necklace na shell. 3 for 100. Nakagat pa ako ng bubuyog. Sabi niya, you're so sweet for me.
Yeah. Okay, sa gilid. You look like a flower. I like the flower. I'm getting started.
Hi guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa mangrove pero wala pa kaming ticket. Look at the view.
So nice. Here, this view, and then...
Yeah. The fish.
ba? Where?
Yeah. Ang dami.
Where?
So nandito kami ngayon sa Balabag Beach. Bulabog. Balabag. Ikaw yung binabalabag, te. Ano daw? Bulabog? Balabag.
Bulabog. Tayo magbubulabog dito.
Balabag. Balabag Beach.
Mainit na siya.
Okay, kaway-kaway tayo, Adens. Bye! Okay, one more. Ayan. Then heart sign. Perfect. Isa pa. Okay, kaway-kaway lang tingin sa camera. Alright. Okay, tayo kayong lahat. Then group hug. Yan. Okay, bye-bye.
Nakabalik na kami after island hopping. Nakatambay na kami dito sa beachfront.
Dr. Diary, this is for you.
Do you have the room key?
Yes.
Yes, daw. Ay, can you see that?
Yeah.
That's mine, the boat key. It's Miss C. But it's wrong.
So nandito yung beachfront. Nakatambay lang kami here. There. Sila maliligo pa. Magbo-boy hunt and turon hunt na lang kami dito ni Mitzi.
And happy to hear the waves.
Yes. It's a music to the ears. Trying out the Andox here in Boracay is so life-changing. Okay. Okay, how about you, Ika? What's your order?
Chicken barbecue.
Jai, what's your order?
It's spaghetti.
Wow! So ako hindi na akong kumain kasi busog pa ako. Pero ito yung pinili ko. Bumili na ako ng pasalubong para hindi na ako ma-hassle. Ang gagawin namin today, may dinner kami sa, ano, 4 seasons? 2 seasons. Sa 2 seasons, tapos magpa-party kami tonight. Kasi hindi kami nag-party yesterday. Chill lang kami. So, bumili kami ng pasalubong. Ano nabili mo?
Earrings pa lang, tsaka
Yes! Ano nabili mo, Jai?
Earrings.
Earrings. Ako ang nag-influence. Suotin ko yun sa dinner. We're on the way to...
2 seasons and a wedding.
I'm the wedding!
See the season.
The theme is orange. What color is the theme?
Beige.
What color is the theme for today?
Black.
Black and yellow. Here in 2 seasons, not 4 but 2, and this is the pink ladies. Ooh, the pink girls. Ganda. So may pool. I think this is Hanen, pero pupunta kami here. Early dinner kami. Gusto namin i-try yung ano, Kokomama. So baka yun. Tapos later mag-party kami tonight. Again, dahil last day. Is this a food spa? Sabi. Quiet zone. But we're noisy. So nice. This is the look. Ito binili ko lang to guys. 100 pesos. Meron kanina 150. Tapos naganap pa ako sa iba. 100. Ganda. Kasi medyo low tide na siya. So parang medyo malayo na yung water. Very far na to sa hotel namin. Parang need pa naman tricycle. Tapos sobrang layo din ng tricycle. This is the restaurant. Ito yung 2 seasons guys. So nice. Paupo na kami.
And gutom na kami.
Kasi kami, nakapagpika-pika kami. Siya natulog lang. Please nakatahinga. Kasi
Ready for the party.
Yeah. Ako, kahit walang tulog, ready pa din. Sakto lang tayo, no? Kasi magsa-7 na. So, carbonara. Sorry. Truffle. Fish and chips.
Let's complete that thing. Truffle shiitake mushroom pasta.
Okay.
4 cheese pizza.
4 cheese pizza and the gambag. Lahat po ng food ay nandito na. Matatakam na ba ang tao? Ah! Gusto ko dito!
I mean, see what if it's your bride to be.
What if I got the crown? Along ganda. Okay. What up, pretty girls? Who is that girl I see? Yung sa ating ko, yes! Braid, where's the bride?
There.
Wow! Konichi. Wala, may naklik na. Wala pa ng preview. Ano itong preview? Okay, say cheese. Bakit kasi Korean?
How much is it? How much are we paying?
Okay, so we're here. Studio.
Wait lang. Ano tayo magkakasya guys?
Dami ka may bro.
250.
Wait, ang order natin today.
Tama yan.
Napulabog.
Or may wala ko.
Bring me student promo, estudyante ako.
Uupo yun ako. Nakikita nyo naman sa... Pasok pa. Pen. Wala, gusto ko yung karopi ko eh. Paabot.
Wala nga akong crown eh.
Sa gusto mo ng iba? Yan pala oh. Hindi mo mapipili isa-isa. Parang wag yung princess. Ayan. Alin?
Yan. Nandito sa pa.
Ito, nakalima.
Ay, sorry, hindi yan.
Ay, hindi.
100 lang.
Here at
Pink Moon.
Pink Moon Cafe. So we're... Ito naman, picture na picture. Ako na lang. Kasi inagaw mo yung crown kong pink. Parang malings.
She was a fairy.
She was a fairy.
baka hirap. There's a bread! There's a bread! Hindi, minsan lang ito sa life ko. Uy, this is the maid of honor!
Bakit naman ganyan?
Madali, hagis ko yung flowers. Uy, ready na! Ready na!
Just
We're done?
We're done!
Pupunta kaming Coco Mama kasi ilang days na namin kinikrave yon. And we have to try it before we leave here. Happy Pride, everyone! So we're here at Coco Mama. Are you excited?
Yes.
Me too. So we're trying out Coco Mama, made by my mom. Verdict is 15 out of 10. Happy Pride, everyone. Ano ko yung biko? Ano ko yung buko panda?